let's take you to South City right now.
Hi guys, this is Somashri. I am your Alpha Appetite on YouTube channel and I'm going to start this video today on a very positive note that I am going out, stepping out of my home after COVID lockdown in a very long time. This video is for everybody who can relate with me and people who haven't stepped out of their homes in a very long time post lockdown, or you are not vaccinated yet so that you can't step out. Then this video is for you. You should see how people are still going out after getting vaccinated, obviously maintaining a safe distance and just living through this pandemic phase. So come with me, let me show you how South City Mall is post pandemic. Today my YouTube partner Chauvin is not going to be with me. This is just me and my cousin today. So I am going to tell you and share why and how I was unable to post any video on YouTube and what is the exact reason. So stay tuned and continue to watch the mall vlog.
So I'm all ready for South City Mall. I'm just showing my face before wearing the mask because after this I'll be wearing a mask most of the times. Not while eating though. So you'll be seeing my face covered in mask, so there might be problem in understanding my muffled voice. So kindly bear with that. And let's take you to South City right now.
I booked the Uber from home and it was raining really hard. So we took Uber and went, otherwise, we would have taken an auto or something to South City. Now we have reached South City, it was evening. As you can see, the mall was not decorated that much from outside, like last time before pujas they used to decorate the mall really beautifully. I hope this time also they do something like that, but I think it is pretty late. They'll be doing it just before the pujas perhaps. Anyhow, the outside was nice and clean. The entrance was averagely crowded. While getting in, we were given sanitizers to sanitize our hands, and it is really nice and it is the protocol. So, even if you don't carry your sanitizers, the mall has it. Few brands were giving sales, like as you can see, flat 50% and 30% off, but there was not much sale going around this time of the month. So first we decided to go to the Lord of the Drinks, but seeing their price in the menu, we decided to enter to Barish.
So guys, we are here, me and my cousin sister, for lunch at Barish. So I'll just show you how the ambience is like. I think you have seen the how the crowd is of this place in entire South City Mall, and I'll just show you how the ambience of Barish is and what we ordered. So I'll keep sharing, and I hope you feel nice after seeing all this food and drinks.
We took Gondharaj and orange infused gin along with Barish special fried chicken. The taste was really nice of the food and the ambience is pretty lit with good music. The spacing and crowd part is a bit disappointing because there was no spacing between the tables, but it's up to you how you take it. We decided to check out Forever 21. I love their collection. But this time the collection was not that great. All seen and explored tops already. Pretty plain designs and patterns. If you like seeing mall vlogs and shopping vlogs, do let me know in the comment. So I can go to visit more malls for you and show you the collection over there. You can see how the collections were. Pretty simple and minimalistic. I really like this vibrant color. The prints and patterns are quite cute, and lot of options for people who like wearing noodle straps and spaghettis, but I personally don't prefer. Next we plan to hop on to check some designs in Zara. The collection in Zara never fails. Oh my god, the collection is really nice over there and I love checking out myself.
Guys, as you have seen in the video already, my overall experience in South City has been quite nice. People are wearing masks all through the mall and sanitization while entering the mall, and while exit also there is like lot of sanitizing points, and like the mall is well maintained. The tables in food court and where we went Barish, people were cleaning the doors and tables after the guest was leaving, so it's quite nice and it's quite safe also, and rest of the safety is up to you because you have to carry your own sanitizer, you have to wear your mask so that you are not contaminating any germs or not receiving from anybody. So guys, after finishing a nice meal at Barish, me and my sister came to the food court. You have seen the videos already. We have ordered one naked taco along with Coke, and we are going to have some chole bhature as well. I'll show you all the pictures and videos of that.
Well, honestly, this is the time to head down to Spencer's and Miniso in the basement, two of my favorite brands. Miniso has this really cool collection of body wash, shower gels, perfume and body lotion. I really love the collection. If you're a fan of skincare, you would love them too, I am sure. So now this is the big time to reveal the secret or spill the tea why I was unable to shoot or post new videos on YouTube. So check it out. So guys, as promised, I want to share that why I was unable to create videos for the past few months. The sound here was not audible, that's why I recorded it at home. I was really sick. I had COVID in fact for the last in the month of March, and my recovery took a lot of time, and also my uncle was really sick. He was hospitalized for a month or so. Last year my dad was affected. If you see me, you have must notice that my hair is very thin, so I have a hair loss problem post COVID. Also I am type 1 diabetic, so you must understand what phase I was going through, and not only me, the whole country was going through a really bad phase, and I hope everybody overcomes from this.
So I am hoping that I'll be able to make and post new videos much more often, and I think right now I'll be doing one video per week. I'll try to do that, but otherwise I think this is the first video after my COVID experience. So guys, if you like this video of South City Mall post COVID, then do comment in the box below that what type of content you are liking. Also I'll try from my end to make content which is within the limited exposure whatever I am getting, because I am not going to go out so often like I used to go earlier, because traveling is very limited at the moment. So whatever you want me to do at home, or maybe in confined or particular spaces like restaurant visits and reviews, do let me know if you want to see videos like that. I'll be really thrilled to receive your comments. You can't see that I'm smiling behind my mask, but I am, and I'm really glad that you are showing this support and you watched my videos this far. And if you have watched, do click the subscribe button below or here, I don't know, somewhere on the screen, and give a big like, thumbs up, and comment whatever you feel and whatever your feedback is. This is me, Samashri, signing off with my sister Shirley. Also quickly press the bell icon just beside the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Bye, take care, have a nice weekend.